Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. Today I am back with another amazing collection of centerpieces ideas about Christmas. All the decoration pieces ideas are very unique and gorgeous. All the ideas are decorated with different things and look so amazing and elegant. Today in this video made a unique centerpieces and increase the beauty and charm of your home decoration. So watch the video till end. Keep liking me, keep support me. Your support is very important for me. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon for more updates. Thank you. Stay blessed, stay happy. Have a nice day.